Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 28th, 2022. I'm going to do a quick video about Ford stock and give y'all an update about how this market is about to get destroyed in the future. Yeah, it's about time for me to come in and drop an update as to what I'm seeing on the price chart to show you whether or not Ford is going to continue to go down or can we actually see it go up. So welcome to my channel. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe. Tap that bell notification as well while you're at it, because I really want to make sure that you stay updated as to what I'm noticing on the price chart. I want to make sure that you have a heads up, because that's the edge that we have amongst everybody else who plays in the stock market, is that we are predicting where prices are going to go, so we can already be in position and win. I mean, when you look at the price chart now in Ford, right, I'm already in position. You guys can see what I'm expecting the market to do going into the future. So I wanted to come in and update you all as to what's going on. Has anything changed? Well, so far, much has not changed in what I was talking about in my last video. I'm still looking for the price in Ford to go down. Now, since my last video, which was on April the 8th, the market really hasn't been that weak. It hasn't really been reflecting or exhibiting any instances that it really wants to crash or plummet. That's a good thing, though. It looked like this is going to be a slow and methodical movement to the downside in Ford. Can you see that? And I'm still paying attention to the market hitting $14.15. If we see buyers really come in at that level, then the market is not going to get destroyed in Ford. It's just that simple. And how price action has been since my video kind of lets me know that that could be the case. So I'm still on the lookout for that. I'm still being prepared to see the market in Ford hold $14 or so. Now, that was the first price target for us to grab profitability. That's 6%. Okay, we're still there. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you all long-term perspective. Okay, so let's hit this over on a weekly time frame first, because what happened last week still confirms to me that the price in Ford is still weak and that we can see a big move to the downside. Look at this. This week right here is what confirms price is still weak and that buyers are not here yet. They're not here, because if the buyers were here, we wouldn't have seen this price bar being created. But hey, it's here. This shows me that the market in Ford is still weak. And another reason is because the market got rejected here. The sellers could not trade price in Ford above $16.53. It couldn't do it. Just like it did back here on this weekly price bar in June of last year. It got rejected and the price came down. Well, we got rejected and price is still anticipated to come down. That's another indication that tells me that Ford is still weak, right? Look at this on the 2 weeks. We're in a downtrend. We're not really seeing any profitable, strong price bars right now in Ford. We're not seeing it. 3 weeks. 5 weeks. See that? Monthly time frame. We got 1 day, 9 hours left, and look at the current monthly price bar. That's not bullish. And let's not forget that Ford broke a very good trend. Very, very good trend, and broke it. And when I show you from this 3 weekly price chart, you guys can see how often the market in Ford, I would say back in 2020, it confirmed numerous times the trend, right? Well, now, let me show you this. We got 8 days and 9 hours left, so it can still trade above the trend. But right now, we're getting rejected off that line. That's bearish, okay? That is bearish. It tells you that the market doesn't have enough energy, enough momentum to go bullish again. It invalidates the trend that started in 2020. What's going on right now on the current 3 weekly price bar? Now, let's say that in the next 8 days and 9 hours, the price does not trade above that trend. Then that confirms that the market in forward is still weak. It's just that simple. You guys can actually look at price charts in less than 5 minutes and see what's changed. Are you still sitting good in your original idea as to where price is going to go or not? I'm pretty much already done. I already know from what I talked about on April the 8th that it's still valid, that the weakness on the charts for forward is still here. Nothing has changed. If anything, we have more confirmation that the market in forward is still weak. And I'm just showing you all price charts. That's it. I'm not coming in talking about any new EVs that they're trying to create. I'm not coming through talking about what Jerome Powell is trying to say about inflation. I'm not coming through talking about what Putin and Ukraine situation is going on with the global economic slowdown, or what is the probabilities of having a recession. No, money is the news. When you see price charts, that is actually the news, because people create the news. When they come in and hit that buy button, when they come in and hit that sell button, that is their conviction as to what they think market is going to do in the future. And right now, majority of the market participants is hitting the sell button. They're more convinced that forward is continuing a sell, that the price is going to continue to fall. So why would we want to come in and do opposite of what the majority of the market is doing? Yes, they're buyers, but the majority of the transactions, of the trade that has occurred in forward as of right now, has been mostly selling. Now, we really need to be paying attention to $14 though. Yes, we do. I want you all to keep in mind about $14, because the buyers can actually prop in around 14 and hold forest price there. That's about the only thing. Okay. Look at this on the 5-day. This last completed 5-day price bar. One price bar literally took out the last 10 days worth of trading in forward. That's not bullish. One 5-day price bar took out 2 5-day price bars, which equates to 10 days. The market gives you your answers if you're trying to figure out where price is trying to go. All right. So that's it. I'm done. I'm not going to change my price, but if you guys want to get my price targets, go back and listen to my last video that I've done in forward. It is in my forward playlist. You guys can actually go back and listen to it to see what was said and make sure that we're sitting good. All right, I'm done. If you see anything that changed in regards to forward's price action since April the 8th, go ahead and drop me a comment. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.